Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to open the goodie box of January. If you're not already subscribing to my channel, I really suggest you to do that. Just click the subscribe button and the bell for notifications every time I upload a new video. Well, I do not have so much more to say, so let's open this. And as always, I haven't seen anything on the internet, so I have no idea what's inside of this. It says Goodiebox on the top of the box, and then we have this floral or abstract print. So Goodiebox is a monthly subscription. You get a beauty box every month with different themes and around 5 to 6 products. It's not expensive. I think it's around $15 or $20, and I have an affiliate link. I will put it in the description below, so if you use that link you will get 50% off your first box. I get goodie points. With the goodie points I can eventually buy boxes, so it's not sponsored or anything, it's just an affiliate link, but if you use it you will get 50% off your first box, so that's really good. And I would really recommend this box. I love it. It's the best subscription I have ever used or bought. Do you say that? I don't know. And you can always save the boxes and store it makeup or something. I saved a lot of them. I think they're really pretty. So the theme of this box is me, myself and I, and inside of this you have descriptions of every product, so we read that after we opened. So we take one product at a time. Okay, so the first product is a soothing body balm. Body balm? What? Is it a body butter or something? From NAE, Natural Antica Eboristeria, soothing body balm, organic, vegan. Okay, so it looks like a regular body butter. Oh, it doesn't have a smell at all. Maybe a little smell like Play-Doh or something. Weird. Fun. A big size. How much is it? 200 milliliters, so that's really good. Okay, really fun. I think we got a body butter last month as well, so they have really big sizes and that's really fun. And of course it's vegan, so that's good for a lot of people. I'm not a vegan myself, but I know many people really look for that in their products, so really good. Okay. The second product is what is it? Makeup removing micellar solution from Bioderma. So it's a smaller size, but I'm fine with it. It's 100 milliliter. Bioderm. I have no idea how to pronounce that, but I know this brand is popular and well known for a lot of people. I have actually never used or tested a product from them. I think they are affordable and easy to get a hold of. I think the pharmacy have some of the products and so on. Well, they do in Sweden, so I'm really looking forward to test this. I'm not mad at all. Next product is a recovery mask from Naobai. I have no idea, but I have used this brand before. I got some products from them in my Glossyboxes, so I recognize the brand itself. And this is a recovery mask, rice and tiger nuts, organic oils, malt, barley active. What? For normal and sensitive skin, it contains softening and refreshing orange fruit water, antioxidants, vitamin E, and a combination of moisturizing rice, tiger nuts, and apricot oils to restore a fatty acids. Really fun with a mask and big size, so that's always appreciated. Love it. And the next product is... Haven't I received this already? I don't know. I got an advent calendar from Goodiebox as well, so I'm a bit confused. Do I have this or not? It's from Decor something, Stockholm. Number day 1, a lightweight day cream, a non-greasy moisturizer based on triple weight hyaluronic acid combined with PGA, which dramatically drenches skin. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I have received a product from them before, this brand, and it was so good. You can feel it really tighten your skin and felt very luxury and actually like it made a difference. So will be fun to test this as well. So 4 products. Is it 1 product? No, it's more. Or is it? Okay, we take the next product. What is this? Glove, or is it the brand? Moon Pads, reusable makeup remover pads, 2-pack, the most soothing makeup removal routine under the moon. Save up to 150 cotton pads monthly. Important, this isn't a plastic bag that takes 500 years to decompose. We are not like that. It might be hard to believe, but this is made from starch with a decomposition period of 12 months only. Thank you for choosing wisely the earth. Really good that they actually have thought about the packaging and really making it obvious to the customer, so plus points for that. Okay, remove your day makeup in just a minute. Reusable moon pads, blah blah blah, and you can wash them in the washing machine. So moisten the moon pad with water and or use with your favorite makeup remover. Press the moon pad to your skin and gently remove makeup using small circular motions. Put the moon pad in a laundry bag and wash in the machine, or simply clean with a bar of soap. Once it's dry, it can be reused. So let's open this. It smells like these rice bags, you know. Ugh. Oh, so cute! My god. They smell weird. They're so cute! They're so soft and I love the color. Really good to have options so you don't have to change your daily routine just because you want to think about the environment. So really good that you have these options and that they really make it easy to get a hold on. So more people use these options. So good. I look forward to see what the prices of these are, because that's something I hope is affordable. Some coupons, and the last product is it's a perfume, the Sarko perfume Purple Molecule, and I've already received this in a previous box, so I don't know why they put this in the box. I think we already have 5 products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so this is, I think, something you just get because they are nice. I don't know. Let's read the descriptions of the products. So the first is the perfume. Do you want to find some sunshine in the middle of the winter without having to travel to Bali? Now you don't have to look anymore. This is the Eau de Perfume who gives you this nice feeling just like a trip to the warmth. It reminds of a Scandi summer when the flowers bloom. It can't get more godly than this. Spray the perfume on your neck, your wrists when you need that extra oomph. Okay, so it's a sample size, a bit bigger than a sample size. It's 5 milliliters. The full size product is 100 milliliters and it costs $110, so 1,100 Swedish crowns. A bit expensive, but 100 milliliter, that's big, I think, for perfume. I don't know. So the next product is the NAE Delicatesse Soothing Body Balm. So it's a full-size product and it retails for $9, so that's not much at all. It's vegan and it has a natural scent. Okay. The third product is the Recovery Mask. This is a full-size version and it retails for 257 Swedish crowns, so around $25. This is a product who makes you swipe right. It's a calming face mask and it's perfect for your sensitive skin. It contains a lot of vitamins and minerals. Blah blah blah. Apply the product on dry skin and let it sit for 7 minutes and then wash it off with some finger warm water. Yeah, okay. Then we have these moon pads. They are full size and retails for 74 Swedish crowns, so around $7. I really think they should lower that price, but okay. This patch will take your beauty routine to a higher level. They are friendly to the environment and they are super easy to use. They are washable in 30 degrees. They can be used together with water, a toner or oil. Really fun to test. I hope I will like them because that would be so awesome. And then we have the Cure. Number Day 1 Lightweight Day Cream. This will improve your beauty game and it's a modern masterpiece in beauty care. It will moisturize your skin, it will protect your skin, and it's a lovely boost for your skin that it deserves. So this is 10 milliliters. And the original or full-size product is 50 milliliters, so the full-size version costs $85. That's a lot. Okay, as I said, a very expensive brand. Fun, really fun. I'm not mad. And then we have the Bioderma, and this is 100 milliliter, and the full size is 250 milliliters and retails for 139 Swedish crowns, so around $13. So that's really affordable. And your sensitive skin are going to feel good after this cleaning. It's a super sensitive mi-clear, how do you say, solution, mi-clear. Apply with a pad and you can repeat it until there are no makeup left on your face. I wanted to test this for a long time. I don't know why I haven't just bought it, because it's not expensive, but yeah. So that's all products in this month's box. I've never been disappointed of this, and I'm not this month either. So, and again, I have an affiliate link you can use if you want 50% off your first box. Well, yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, if you want notifications every time I upload a new video, you can click the bell. And I see you in the next video. Bye!